Hi, my name is Kyle Mayukaro and I'll be presenting about innovations in data analysis today. Here's a brief outline on what I'll be presenting. I'll begin with the background, then go with the analysis. I'll show you my web page I created on cPanel. I'll show an Excel web page, my YouTube interview, a survey, the relation to CSC 101, and a summary. In the last 25 years, data analysis has changed significantly. The significant change can be traced back to the progress made in computing. The computing progress that has revolutionized data analysis can be credited to new computing ideas in systems such as the cloud and Excel. In order to succeed in today's fast-paced world, the synergy between computing and data analysis must be present. In order for companies to gain a competitive advantage over another company, precise data analysis is necessary. Now that many large corporations have caught on to this trend, they have decided to invest in promoting newly graduated students from colleges with an emphasis on data analysis through computing. As of today, there are many colleges offering classes that specifically teach students these qualities. One of the first business data analysis courses was introduced in 2012 at Schulich School of Business at York University in Toronto, Canada. Since then, many other prestigious colleges have seen the advantages with arming their students with that type of knowledge and followed suit. Wharton School of Business at University of Pennsylvania, perhaps the most prestigious business school in the world, has now adapted their own class on data analysis along with a list of other great schools. Phelan Hermans, an assistant professor at Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands, believes the whole world is run by Excel. Hermans goes as far as stating that an influential colleague at her bank she worked at said, "This man said, if email goes down, it will be uncomfortable. But if Excel stops working, we all go home." This quote puts a strong emphasis on how important computing data analysis really is. Without being able to compute data analysis, it is believed that you become so unproductive that you do not need to even be at the workplace. Herman stresses the point that computing data analysis is not only important in Fortune 500 corporations and business majors, but for everyone from a biomedical engineer to a scientist that has to calculate the water flow in Nigerian rivers. Almost every professional must be able to use and articulate the data present within computing tools to be efficient with their career. Aaron Hamilton from Entrepreneur opens up his article by saying, "Data is valuable. Capture the data, monetize the data, don't share the data." Hamilton says this because he understands the importance of data and that it can have a large competitive advantage over other organizations. He follows that statement by asking the question, is data really valuable if it can't easily be used to make crucial business decisions and take action? And to answer that simple question, no, it is not valuable. With the advances in computing data analysis, we have made it much easier to compute important data, but it still must be presented in a way that people can understand. With these advancements in data analysis, many people can use and understand data much easier and bring the organization to the next level. Before there were computers like we know of today, data analysis was a process done on paper. With the help of pencils and calculators, data analysis took place at a very slow pace. This slow pace required more educated employees at the workplace and more of the educated workers to get simple data analysis done in a reasonable time. The innovations in computing such as Microsoft Excel and cloud computing have significantly improved data analysis. Before these innovations, if any information were needed, it would have to be either emailed or sent in the actual mail. Now, with cloud computing, employees at large corporations can have all the information they need at their disposal. Microsoft Excel allows for businesses to record and analyze data immediately. Excel has the capabilities to type in numbers and then compute them on the spot with simple formulas. Excel allows for less skilled employees and exponentially quicker analysis. While working within groups of employees, all members of the group can keep in contact with one another with the use of Google's cloud programs. These programs from Google consist of Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Google Docs allows a user to write documents with many different users at the same time. All members are capable of editing and writing on the document at any time. This reduces the time to complete projects dramatically by not having to send drafts and other information continuously to other group members. Google Sheets works like Excel, but on the cloud. Being on the cloud allows anyone who needs the data analysis to get the information immediately and can input their own data analysis for everyone else to see and use. Google Slides gives businesses the easy ability to share slide presentations. Slide presentations are where the bulk of data analysis are broken down and analyzed for managers and corporate officials. Having these tools on the cloud allows for anyone that needs access to their company information to easily and quickly get it. Here's my website I created on cPanel about innovations in data analysis. It begins with an animation with me, computers, and my logo. Beneath is my table of contents and a brief abstract. Here you'll find my intro. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find shortcuts to the home and next page. In the background, there's a video embedded followed by information and pictures. The analysis shows a video you will see shortly, followed by important information and graphs. The following page shows the relation of CSC 101 to data analysis innovation. There's then a conclusion and a reference page listing all of my sources. Finally, you can use the very top of it as the header to go and link you back to the home page. Here's an article from the Harvard Magazine by Jonathan Shaw. Shaw writes that the information revolution is happening not simply because of better storage, but because of the computational methods. He writes how a friend figured he would need a $2 million computer to analyze all of his data. Instead, him and a few grad students developed an algorithm that could handle it all in about 20 minutes. He also states how important the data analysis is by writing that qualitative experts are leaders in their field, but if you add one statistical researcher who does not know about the field, they can be even more valuable.
Today we're here with Michael Moulton, a CSC major and digital forensics minor here at University of Rhode Island. Mike, how are you today?
I'm doing well, Kyle. How are you?
Very good. So, Mike, what do you think about the innovations in data analysis with computing?
Well, Kyle, data analysis has come a long way since the integration of computing. Before that integration, companies had to keep written records of all important data. It was a lot more time consuming and difficult. Now you're able to input data into software tools such as Excel, and with Excel, you're able to quickly complete formulas that are necessary to analyze your data, and you can easily compare information.
So, Mike, how would you say that these innovations have helped in your teaching with TAs?
Well, overall, I would say that being able to do things like compare certain grades, see how students are doing, things like that, even with Excel, has helped me analyze data more productively and finish my work quicker.
That's very good. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you for having me, Kyle. Chris, what's going on? This is taking forever.
This is so much data to just be writing down. We need like a better way to do this. There has to be something better.
There has to be. Hey Chris, how's everything going over here?
It's going great. Inputting data is so easy, and so is data analysis now that we have all this set up in Excel. I have so many of these tools just to do so many different things.
That's great. I've been able to analyze data easier as well. It's really helped our business.
That's good.
Yeah.
This is a survey I sent out at the beginning of the semester about data analysis. The question was, how do you believe the impact of computing on data analysis affects people? 11 people voted for the better, one for the worse and one did not know. As you can see, an overwhelming majority did feel that these impacts on computing with data analysis have greatly affected us for the better. Data analysis can be connected to CSC 101 in many different ways. By taking this course, I was able to learn many different data analysis techniques that can be brought to a business to help it become more successful. In the Google Spreadsheets assignment, I was able to learn many things about data analysis. Originally, I did not know of Google Sheets application, but the combination of it being on an Excel-like application and on the cloud makes it very useful. Google Sheets being on the cloud makes it very useful because of ability to collaborate with other people at the same time on the same sheet. So innovation in data analysis is very important and allows for students and businesses to more effectively use their time and efforts. The assignments that use Google Analytics demonstrated how data can be formed and used. The ability to see how many viewers a website has on or how often they come back is very important. On top of those two features, it shows where the users are from, how long they have stayed on the website, and can help value what advertisement costs should be on your website. Another assignment that relates to data analysis is the assignment that required using Google to create a survey. The use of that technology allows to quickly make surveys that have the data quickly sorted and ready to be used. In the slideshow, it can be seen that there have been many innovations in data analysis over the years. These innovations improve the speed, data, and effectiveness of the numbers the business or students need to know. With innovations in the cloud and spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel, data can be calculated and shared much easier. With technologies rapidly being innovated, new and improved data analysis techniques will continue to come.